Apple Clips offer pre-designed full-screen animated templates that allow your students to create visually engaging titles or introductory cards for their videos. These posters come with customizable text, animations, and themes, making it easier to grab a viewer's attention and set the tone for the video content. To add a poster to your project, tap the Media Library button, then tap Posters. There are a large variety of posters to choose from. You might need an internet connection to download posters that you have not used before. To preview any poster, tap and hold the poster thumbnail until the preview pops up. To add the poster to your project, select your poster and hold the record button to record the poster as a clip. You can edit the text of the poster and hold the record button to record the edited poster as a clip. Your recorded poster will now appear as one of your clips.